In this video, I will show you how to add this print and PDF or email option below each WordPress post, where users can click and generate a PDF version of the post or email the post to anyone. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon if you haven't done it already. So let's get started. First, the print and PDF plugin should be installed. In WordPress site dashboard, in the left-hand menu, click on Plugins, and then click Add New. Next, type in Print and PDF, and search for the plugin, Print Friendly and PDF, in the plugin page. Here it is. Click the Install Now button to install the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, click the Activate button to activate it. After you have activated the plugin, you can customize the placement and appearance of the Print and PDF button using the plugin's settings. Appearance settings page, you have a lot of options to choose from. The Print and PDF button display and appearance settings. You can select the one that you find appropriate to your site. Here, we can align the PDF button on the left side, the right side, or the center, whichever is suitable on the post page. Again, we can place the button either above the post or below the blog post. Next, we can select Post, Pages, Category, or any other option here. Here, I don't want the button on the pages, only the posts. And finally, save the changes we selected for the Print and PDF plugin. Next, we can go to the All Posts by selecting the Posts tab on the dashboard. Here, we can select a post to view the PDF button setup under the blog posts. Now let's go to the Posts page to see the button displayed below the blog post. And the Print and PDF button is set up successfully under the blog post on the left-hand side of the blog page. To create the PDF, we can either click on the print or the PDF icon and create PDF file for the post to save on our computer. Next, we can click the email option to send the blog post as a PDF to email of our choice by filling these to and from email and message fields. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful, and click bell icon to get updates when we add new content.